This is the last time Salah faces Man City, and he misses. Are you freaking kidding me?
He saved it! Fucking hell! Oh my God, it just gets worse and worse and worse. Oh no.
So Mohamed Salah here to take the penalty against James Trafford. And it's saved. It's saved. Another penalty miss from Mo. That's 2 in a row. And unfortunately...
Salah versus Trafford. Mohamed Salah. Told you. Fucking told you. Told you. That's the game. Like that's the season. He missed. He saved it. Wasn't even... It was obvious. He was never scoring that pen.
And Salah misses the penalty as well. Oh my God.
Hey everyone, this video is sponsored by OK Jersey, rated an impressive 4.5 stars on Trustpilot. Fans love them for high-quality jerseys, great prices only £15, and super fast delivery. They offer a huge selection of new season, retro, and even upcoming World Cup kits. Use code TOP5 at checkout to get 8% off your order. Don't wait, go check them out.